Hello everybody and welcome to the unboxing video of my recently acquired Invicta Pro Diver 8928 OB. Well, and as you can see, it comes wrapped in a rather shabby cardboard sleeve that even proudly says the box was made in China. Hey, but look at that! What's this? So let's get rid of that sleeve and have a look what's inside. What we got here is the new box that Invicta now uses for all its diver watches in favor of this ugly yellow box that all the internet apparently already knows. It looks like a sturdy piece of Mars expedition equipment or military stuff, and got their logo nicely printed on the top and even embossed on the bottom and on the side latches. It's a beauty, isn't it? But it doesn't only look the part, it's also very satisfying to open and close. Just listen. Yeah, doesn't that make you feel like a polar explorer who finally reached the South Pole after months and now is opening up all his boxes full of delicate equipment? And there it is, the Pro Diver 8928 OB in all its glory, steel, gold and blue. Yeah, really, that is my favorite color combination on watches. And now the moment you've all been waiting for. Pure watch porn. The movement used by Invicta in this watch is a Seiko NH35, which beats at 21,600 beats per hour. It's very reliable, and they apparently left it totally standard, but they put a custom rotor in it that proudly says Invicta Watch Group. And now it's time to put it on the wrist. Also, the clasp, I think, makes a very satisfying click. That sounds, well, like a bit of expensive. That was my attempt of a unboxing video and a small review of the Invicta Pro Diver 8928 OB. So I grabbed it just shy of 400,000 pesos Colombianos, and that is about 95 US dollars. And I think it's worth the money. It feels very solid and sturdy. So, if you like what you saw, I would be glad if you left a comment in the comment section below, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. Thank you so much.